So now I'm trying to turn it back on. And it's good speed. I'm going at least like 8 miles per hour, good speed. See, every time I go faster, it does it harder. And then when I give it throttle, it doesn't really do nothing. Oh, now it just made like a popping noise, like. I think it's the piston, because it just sounded like the piston right now. Or the piston or the cylinder, I'm not sure. That little thing in the middle, the circle thing that goes up and down. I just heard it like it when I was trying to give it gas. So I'm not gonna mess with it no more.